you ready to file your Nebraska Individual Income Tax Return, Form 1040N? It is important to be sure you have all the necessary information and are ready to file before you begin. Including all the necessary information will avoid the need to file an amended return and ensure you get your tax refund from Nebraska as quickly as possible. It is important to have all your income and withholding documents. This includes federal forms, W-2 for each job you work during the tax year. Also, it is important to have all forms 1099 for all sources of income you have. If you are a small business owner, you must make sure you have all the income and expenses recorded for the entire year before filing. You must complete your federal income tax return before you file your Nebraska return. The Nebraska return relies on the amounts reported on the federal 1040 or 1040-SR. The Nebraska return may not be correct if you do not use your completed federal return to prepare the 1040N. Make sure you know the correct amount of current year estimated payments and carryover from the previous year. Remember, most taxpayers do not make estimated payments or have a carryover from the prior year. Estimated payments are generally made by those individuals classified as contract labor or those who are self-employed. Claim only payments you have actually sent to the Department of Revenue during the tax year. When married filing jointly, the primary Social Security number used on the return must match the Social Security number used to make the estimated payments. Ensure the department has not sent any letters correcting the amount of carryover from the prior year. Some credits and deductions require additional documentation to be attached to the return. The Nebraska 1040N will tell you what documentation is required. If you are e-filing, a copy of your federal return, forms, W-2, 1099, and information from other states is sent to the department with your filing. The department cannot allow credits and deductions without the substantiating documentation. Most common filing issues include the following: withholding credit, all documents showing Nebraska withholding, including W-2s, 1099s, and K-1Ns for the correct tax year. Earned income credit requires pages 1 and 2 of the federal return. Social Security deduction requires pages 1 and 2 of the federal return. Credit for tax paid to another state, a complete copy of the other state's return and a Nebraska 1040N Schedule 2. Non-refundable child care credit, copy of the federal form 2441. Refundable child care credit, Nebraska form 2441N. When claiming credit for tax paid to another state, a copy of each of the other state's returns you are claiming credit for must be attached to the paper form 1040N. This is not an all-inclusive list, but following these filing tips will help ensure your return is processed accurately and quickly. Thank you.